Hey guys, welcome. As I'm gonna say, we're having a little treat there. Let's see, KFC. I'm on KFC. So we're having a treat there. So how long we start this out, you know? How about we start back like about a month now. I'm gonna touch now. Wicked fast food, you understand? So make the girls for myself. I want it. I want it. Unless we can't go up there, so I don't know. We'll just go work. But make sure you tell me something I want it. Yeah. So we get 1 2-piece something. Yeah. We got 1 2-piece something. And I gotta just do this because I cannot bother. You know? Then right, so it's not a good looking space for it. So yeah. It's just a 2-piece, guys. I'm not really full run wicked mad KFC like that. But, you know, one day nice day, yeah. We'll have a little good up. MUKBANG. That's it. Good on. Good. Yes, so see the people. See them? Can't see what I look like. So I'm gonna kind of move outside room. I don't know old people do this, yeah. I'm not sure where they might eat. Jesus. So I just want to look at story time still. What's up, both say? Oh, what's up, hold on. Well, I don't know what I'm gonna talk about. I wanted to go live, but I couldn't get to go live because I never know what to do. So, yeah. So, I was kind of super healthy and drink water. Let me go with the soda because I couldn't deal with the whole soda thing. Yeah. And guys, I have 10 of them. I had 10 of these small bottles today, so that's really good for me drinking a lot of water now. Because, oh yeah, I even one that I don't eat. I don't like ketchup because I want to tell you, I alone don't like ketchup because it's when I go to a restaurant, like especially in a mobile, like you go a restaurant and then people they pack up the ketchup with a whole heap of water and then this sour ketchup they ever put on people. So I just don't like ketchup after that because like a ketchup why you put water in it for? Make it live now, make it live. So I haven't really so food on ketchup no more. Yeah. So what I said about I try to figure out. I have all past 3 times, you know, but I don't even know what to tell you now. First thing for us, how was it on a Monday? On a Monday good? I enjoyed mine. Like, mine was pretty relaxing, but I went to work and I do what I had to do and come back home and something. So yeah, it's a really good day though. Some face kind of early, but that's where I go. Alright, so I'm gonna do I tell you the first time what? Alright, my first job. Alright? My first job. Well, alright. I'm telling them people are saying no wing, but they still put it. They still put the wing in the soup. I'm telling them no wing. Is it okay if you now listen to people? So, hold on. Hopefully savor the moment. Look at that. Like, okay. Jamaican KCF bomb. So yeah. So I was telling you the first time I ever get one job ever an experience. So my first job that I ever went on was I went to this villa, but tell you how the whole story started first. So I was home on Saturday. Somebody called my phone and said, "Oh, Crystal, them want somebody." One of my friend them. They want somebody to work. I want a wedding, and they want more people. And I said, "Oh, cool." I said, "I said, "Want where?" And then say, "Alright, all good." They said it was, hold on. Ooh. So they said it was right at Rose Hall. What's in their box? It was right at Rose Hall, right? And I said, okay, cool. Over the half moon. What's a half moon? Over half moon golf course, whatever. So I said, okay, cool. I can't come because we have nothing to do tomorrow. So they say. So I say, I always ask these vital questions. If you have planned to give more work, I always ask where, when, cost, how much you pay me, and also what time it ends. So the girl say, the person say, at 3:05 then go get paid. So I say, for 5 hours, I can work for 3:05. That's like a day's work. I can work for it. They told me where it was. I'm gonna go. Right? Bear in mind now, this is late notice because it start like, oh no, at the same day them call me. No, same day them call me. It was a Saturday, remember. It was a Saturday, them call me and them tell me say, me need to get ready by 3 o'clock. Bear in mind it was 1 o'clock. Me need to get up at the place before 3 o'clock. I'm like, oh my god, make it up there. So I'm saying, yo, still come, the person won't have a problem. I just need the help or something. But like skin hair. So say, okay, cool. And we go. I'm gonna reach up there like probably like 2:30. So and the reception part was start. The cocktail part started already, so the dinner never started. They wanted more persons for the dinner. Yes. I came up and I asked for the young lady that they told me to ask for. I went through the back change. Yeah, me get ready. He told me what day. He told us what was the old one. I can't remember that. They told me what they wanted to do, right? And we provided the service and we did it well. I think we did great. To say, even though it was my first time working, mother said not talk with food in her mouth. So they said, may I say, although it was my first time working, like officially working, it felt like I was a part of this. Was a part of it. for so long. I said, yeah, man. Like, I had an adrenaline rush. Like, I'm just in and out, getting trays, people ordering food and saying that's what they wanted and all of that. So, that was pretty amazing. Now, like, the experience was amazing. 12 o'clock come now. Like, until 12 o'clock, 11 o'clock come. A lot of people. I may say, so, oh, they not done yet. Like, the dinner part not done. The people them still chat and they go on with their antics or something. I'm going to have to work this off back. Guys, I don't know if you can see it through there. Look on the fat. Oh, Jesus. I'm going to have to work this off back. I don't know if you can see this. Oh, look here. Like, me I pull it apart and I pull part with me. I pull off, basically. So, I said, oh, we know, get ready for go and look at nobody not ready for go no way. So I say, I'll take my little self go away. So I call one of my friend them. I go call her Jessica. Jessica is a loud girl, like she not afraid to tell you her mind and things or something, right? Shout out to Jessica. Jessica oh no me attack. She know. So I said to her, you not ready for go away? And she said, yeah, because I have time to go away. So then go call the guy, the chef that was in charge. And the chef said, no, it's not time to leave, I said, because I have to clean up. You see, bear in mind, it was my first time working, but one thing I knew, when you're a waiter, and first of all, when you're working for a catering service, you have to pack up. Like, you have to pack up back. But you see, at the end of the day, if you told us, like, we're leaving 1 o'clock, fine, not a problem. Cool. We're in the middle of nowhere, where we can't get no taxi if we go nowhere. There's not a bus, I don't have a car, and all of them something there. And you go tell me, say, we need to pack up. Understand that? But what time you told us to work? Until 12 o'clock? Okay. I'm working until 12 o'clock and I'm getting my behind and going to my yard after that. So, Jessica start make up nice. Jessica said, she want go yard and something. So, the man said, okay. Send home Jessica. Tell the lady that was in charge of us to send home Jessica. But the man said, I'm going to make an example of Jessica. So Jessica here's an example. She start galang bad. I wonder. Over this someone else chat about to go say. So pay her 2,000. I think 2,000. 200 Jamaican dollar, you know. After this girl work, hold on guys. After this girl work, her butt off. Hold on. After this girl work, her ass off, right? And do her work. You go look at me and give me 2,000. So she cuss up her bad and say, she don't want it, she don't want it. Me I tell her, say, yo, come on. She say, she don't want it, she want what she feel pay for and whatever. Me not do nothing. I do nothing. I'm gonna say, alright, I'm gonna get my 3-5 because an example, they want to make out of Jessica. Me go get my money. So when I went to this lady and take off, and she's like, take off the shirt. I'm gonna drink the water. Cut it. Jesus. Anyways. Me, the lady looked at me and said, take off the shirt. I'm about to take off the shirt, you know. She said, where you come from? She said, where me come from? Me with my proud self. Come me the proud of my school. I'm proud of my school. So the HR. I was like, the woman was like, okay. I know man look for me and give me $2,500. Sorry people. Excuse me. No man look for me and give me $2,500. May I come on? Cause I'm not hear the I'm not hear the worst part yet. Hold on, I'm not hear the worst part yet. This woman come look at me and give me $2,500. I say to come up to go up where me to go up at the place was $600. I'm calculating this in my head, you know. Meantime, me get this $2,500. I mean, I say okay, it's probably going to be like probably like $200 to get out of here, or it all depends on which driver, you know. And it was late. I mean, I said, okay, double fare will catch me. So you don't know, say I double everything. So I said, alright, if I $200, I'll go for $100. And then when me forgot my yard now, is a good $300 figure my yard. Because I $150 figure my yard and now a $300. And I said that is a good amount of money, you know. I say. So that means that basically, if you come up here and work, I basically made what? How much? Hold on. I say $400, right? And oh yeah, so I made it $2,500. And then I spend $600. I spend $600. Oh, so I spend $1,300 in total. Basically, if come and go at this event, right? And the woman I look at me and give me $2,500. Like, look at me. Look at Krista and give her $2,500. And I said, okay, so me basically work for $1,200. I said, alright. Like, all of these maths are flooding through my head, and I said, alright, you know, I'm not going to cuss because at the end of the day, it's God. I get to look at experience. I can put it down and say, yeah, I get to look at experience. You understand? And I can learn from my mistake. And I don't have to speak to a third party next time. I can speak to the person that is in charge of the whole establishment and so forth. Right? So I take the money and I say, thank you, Jesus. And I take my time and go and walk. The bear man Jessica still going with her antics. I tell her to come on, she still going with her antics. And the rest of we just say, you know what, we just left it. But you see, when we did on the road with that event, and you see, I'm going to tell you this. One thing I learned from this whole thing is that no matter what, you always keep your composure. Because there may be somebody else somebody at the event, or one of the sous chefs, or somebody else looking at you. Like, suppose another sous chef did there at a different catering company, and they're like, oh, we need 2 persons for work. And they must say, oh, you know that Crystal work good, and you know that, oh, Shansia work good, or whatever. And let me call them. Let me see if I can get their contacts and call them. That's another gig, right? That's another money. I learned also. Hey, well, me did never really care, you know, because me did just want the money to be here. It was like a life and death situation. I wanted the money to do my ear. Come and say, my ear could I do, you know. But people, well, on there, because my ear kind of there, man. Like, take out this. Ooh, yes, Jesus. Yes, Lord. Yes, thank you. So that was my first time, basically. People, I don't know. I think about it. I'm like, okay. And my company camera are looking all messy and so forth. So guys, don't forget to like, ooh. And I say, here. Say no, when your ear want washing up. But anyways, so guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and all those nice stuff. Yes, I'll see you in the next video. Probably do one wicked one. Probably do a major one, you know, or some. Yes.